Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're super excited to unbox the latest Buds 3 Pro, which we purchased from AliExpress. If you're looking to get your hands on these buds, you can use our exclusive promo code to get discounts on AliExpress. Let's dive into the unboxing and see what these buds have to offer. Opening the box, we have the Buds 3 Pro, charging case, USB-C cable, and user manual. The packaging looks sleek and premium. The Buds 3 Pro looks stunning, with a compact design that's perfect for long-lasting wear. The build quality feels solid, and they're lightweight. Let's talk about sound quality. The Buds 3 Pro deliver exceptional audio, with deep bass and clear treble, perfect for music lovers and podcast enthusiasts. One of the standout features is the active noise cancellation, which blocks out background noise effectively. You can immerse yourself in your favorite content without distractions. Voice call quality is also impressive. With clear voice pickup and cancellation, you'll sound great on calls. Battery life is long-lasting, with up to insert hours of playback on a single charge. The charging case provides additional charges on the go. Overall, the Buds 3 Pro are a fantastic choice for anyone looking for excellent sound quality, long battery life, and sleek design. Don't forget to use our promo code on AliExpress to get exclusive discounts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.